Your fingers are powerful enough to control different devices. But they also have limitations, especially when you cannot touch the appliances. What if you had a remote finger? Introducing Adaprox Fingerbot. Fingerbot is the smallest robot in the world for controlling all kinds of buttons and switches remotely and smartly. No expensive replacements required. All your existing appliances can become smart devices in seconds. Stop worrying about whether you forgot to turn off the lights. The robot is super easy to attach to any surface. With our app, you can control any device remotely with your fingertip. Fingerbot can drive your robotic vacuum, activating it whenever you want, and turns on the computer for remote access when you are away from the office. Fingerbot also works with voice assistants like Google Home and Alexa. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So easy. In addition to voice control, there is also remote control. What if you feel too hot after exercising and want to turn on the air conditioner before you get home? Adaprox Bridge can bring all your fingerbots online, allowing you to control them from anywhere at any time. Now, you might ask, what if the button doesn't fit? No worries, we have it solved. The arm of the robot can be replaced. With the tool pack, Fingerbot can be modified to fit many different scenarios. Let your coffee machine automatically prepare a cup of hot coffee. Becomes a touchscreen clicker for your smartphone. Set a timer in the app, then the Fingerbot will turn on the light in the morning to wake you up. We also provide a 3D printing interface for you to create your unique arms to suit any special situation. Done! Adaprox is dedicated to the design and production of user-friendly smart home solutions. We are a young team of visionaries and dreamers.
We are very proud to introduce our Fingerbot here. It's small, simple, and powerful.
We hope you have a good experience with Fingerbot and really appreciate your support.